What is happening, Bitcoin fam? Get ready for a rapid-fire news dump that's about to blow your mind. First up, the U.S. Congress is making huge moves, potentially establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve. This is massive for BTC's future. Stick around and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Then, we've got the feds on the hunt, seeking to reclaim millions in Bitcoin lost to cunning SIM swap attacks. Stick around and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. But wait, there's more. Billionaire EasyJet founder Stelios Haji-Ioannou is diving headfirst into Bitcoin with a brand new trading platform. Stick around and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And finally, get this. The Bitcoin hyper presale is exploding, nearing $15 million as a massive cash pile sets its sights on BTC. You do not want to miss this. Stick around and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. U.S. Congress poised to establish strategic Bitcoin reserve. This is not a drill. The U.S. House of Representatives has advanced H.R. 5166, a groundbreaking appropriations bill that could see the federal government formally holding Bitcoin. This legislation directs the U.S. Treasury to develop a framework for managing Bitcoin acquired by the federal government, paving the way for what could be a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Think about it. Bitcoin potentially sitting alongside gold and other traditional assets in the nation's financial strategy. This marks a monumental shift from purely regulatory oversight to active federal participation in the digital asset space. Analysts are buzzing, suggesting this move could significantly boost Bitcoin's credibility as a store of value and influence global adoption. Crypto advocates are calling this a turning point, a moment where digital assets move from the fringes to the very center of national financial policy. If passed, H.R. 5166 will be the first official step towards federal Treasury adoption of Bitcoin, signaling a profound change in how the U.S. views and integrates digital currencies into its economic future. This is more than just a bill. It's a potential paradigm shift for Bitcoin's global standing. But what does this mean for the everyday investor? Next, the feds are chasing down millions lost to a sophisticated crypto crime. Feds target $5 million in Bitcoin from SIM swap heists. The Department of Justice is doubling down on recovering stolen cryptocurrency, with a new civil forfeiture complaint targeting $5 million in Bitcoin. These funds were allegedly pilfered from 5 victims through insidious SIM swapping attacks between late 2022 and early 2023. SIM swapping is a terrifying tactic where criminals gain control of a victim's phone number, often to bypass two-factor authentication for high-value accounts like crypto wallets. The DOJ detailed how perpetrators moved the stolen Bitcoin through numerous wallets, ultimately consolidating them into an account linked to the online casino StakeCom, in a move consistent with money laundering to clean the illicit proceeds. This action is part of a broader crackdown, following recent efforts to seize hundreds of millions in crypto from romance scams and illicit North Korean operations. The government's persistent pursuit of these digital assets underscores the evolving landscape of cybercrime and law enforcement's increasing capability to track and reclaim funds stolen in the crypto space. This relentless pursuit highlights the growing risks and rewards in the digital asset underworld. But it's not all about recovery. Some big names are making bold entries into the market. Get ready for a billionaire's new Bitcoin venture coming up next. EasyJet founder Stelios launches Bitcoin trading platform. Get ready, retail investors. Billionaire Stelios Haji-Ioannou, the visionary behind Easy Group and EasyJet, is making a splash in the cryptocurrency world with the launch of easyBitcoin, a new trading platform designed to simplify Bitcoin investments for everyone. This move comes at a fascinating time, with Bitcoin trading around $111,000 and institutional adoption surging. Developed in partnership with the regulated crypto exchange Uphold, easyBitcoin promises a user-friendly experience with competitive features, aiming to break down the barriers that have made Bitcoin investing seem exclusive. Stelios himself stated that investing in Bitcoin has felt like an exclusive club with high transaction costs, and easyBitcoin is here to change that, focusing on financial empowerment and making Bitcoin accessible. The platform's debut is strategically timed, coinciding with a significant increase in corporate Bitcoin holdings, which now exceed 1 million BTC. This influx from major companies signals a growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate treasury asset, and easyBitcoin's entry, backed by the recognizable Easy Group brand, could significantly accelerate mainstream retail adoption. Sir Stelios believes the current political climate has made Bitcoin completely mainstream, driving his entry into the market. Will this platform democratize Bitcoin trading as intended? And coming up, a project is aiming to supercharge the Bitcoin network itself. Bitcoin Hyper presale surges past $14.07, targeting BTC network congestion. Even with Bitcoin seeing a slight dip, attention is rapidly shifting towards solutions that can enhance its capabilities. Bitcoin Hyper's presale has now soared past $14.7 million, signaling massive investor confidence in its potential to revolutionize the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin Hyper is developing a Layer 2 solution designed to tackle the inherent congestion issues on the main Bitcoin blockchain, which is optimized for security and decentralization rather than high transaction throughput. By leveraging a canonical bridge and the Solana Virtual Machine, SVM, Bitcoin Hyper aims to facilitate faster, cheaper transactions, unlock new DeFi opportunities, and significantly lower gas fees compared to the mainnet. This is crucial as Bitcoin's current transaction processing capacity is limited. The project's impending launch this quarter is generating significant buzz, especially with its ability to enable smart contract execution at Solana-level speeds and lower transaction costs. This could dramatically increase Bitcoin's total value locked, TVL, and make it a more viable platform for decentralized applications, directly benefiting the broader Bitcoin ecosystem and BTC itself. With a substantial portion of its token supply dedicated to development and attractive staking rewards, Bitcoin Hyper is positioning itself as a key player in elevating Bitcoin's potential. This innovative approach could redefine Bitcoin's utility in the crypto space. And now, let's wrap up today's essential Bitcoin updates. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw U.S. Congress potentially establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve, the Feds chasing down millions lost to SIM swap attacks, EasyJet founder Stelios Haji-Ioannou launching a new Bitcoin trading platform, and the Bitcoin Hyper presale exploding past $14.7 million. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news needs, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and follow us on all our social media channels. We'll see you in the next one.